Righto, sorry about that. Take two. Someone wanted to buy a headlight and then I think wanted to scam me and not pay for it. We have turned off the lights on our wheel. We're in a bright area. We are going to ride along here with low beam. Low beam 6 LED low. That is low. That is medium. That is high. That's the low. It's very bright. Very bright. And off the bell. Darker, low beam, medium, fast walkers. We can move it down here, but now cannot see, so it needs to be here. But I've got to put it in low beam. Put low beam, low. There's a hand. Cover hood. See this one. This one, not in anyone's eyes. If I see eyes, that much.
That's just because I'm sitting on the floor. It's okay.
So up, back to high beam. Too low. Up it comes. There. Cover. One hand.
Wow.
Cannot do. But path walker. No high light. I can feel the heat from the light. It's hot. 100 watt. High beam. Turn off. Turn back on. Power cycle. Low. Gee, that's hot. My gloves are. Okay, we got an applause from the audience. Yeah. So the hood cover, well received. Cover the like that.
I'm blind now.
The cover there, but because there's 6 LED high, is that high? Here.
Is this a YouTube video?
Yeah. So we're just doing a co-design with the 6 LED headlight. There's 6 LEDs.
Damn.
On low beam, those two drive. Medium beam, you get that, and then high, you get all 6.
That's high. You want a nugget?
Sorry?
You want a nugget?
Oh, I love the chicken.
take two
Oh,
nuggets.
guys, we've got
Wait,
chicken nuggets here
wait.
from the path walkers. Oh, I've got to pull up stumps and just let me get this out the way. Throw this in my mouth. Stand. What is that?
Take 2 nuggets, bro.
I'm going to take one.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. It's Australian street food at South
on,
Bank
bro.
in Brisbane.
What's
On
your
the
YouTube
South
channel?
Bank foreshore. Sorry?
What's your YouTube channel?
Oh, this one's called eScooter now. eScooter now, as in electric scooter now. My website, eScooter now, has a YouTube channel. I'll put it on there. But it can't be accessed from China. So
Yes, I'll
it's,
just apply because
we chat it across to
Nice.
the factory. We're going to basically get 2 cylinders and screw them in here so they'll sit out like that.
Nice.
So you don't get that sort of light on.
Mm.
Not anymore.
Mm. That's cool.
High beam, sure, yeah, but at least those 2.
That's cool.
But the light comes in a box with all the different covers, different length, and you just screw them in. So you can adjust then exactly where you want your light to be.
Nice, bro. Nice. I'm glad you found a hobby, bro. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, hobby slash my job. I went to China last week
Nice.
to explain about the light in there.
That's cool.
Understood.
What's your name, bro?
Brendan,
Nice to meet you, bro.
eScooter now.
Nice, man. Have a good one, hey?
See you. Thank you for the nuggets.